any type of pending order you want to place, you can actually find it right there in the pending order tab. So click on that pending order tab. Okay, now whatever it brings out here, it doesn't matter because it's bringing out the order with respect to the current price. So right now the current price is at this point. Okay, so you can move this marker to any point. So when I move it down, when this marker crosses the current price, now you will see that this will change. So observe that when this cursor crosses that current price, we have a change. We are now having buy limit. That means you're having an option to buy at a lower price, at a price lower than the current market price. When it moves up, it changes to sell limits. When it comes down, it changes to buy limits. I can still change this sell limit to buy stop, because that is also another action I can take above the current market price. So when I click on this, is buy stop. Okay, so when I bring it down below the current market price, you can see is now sell stop. Okay, when it goes above the current market price, is buy stop. Why is it changing that way? Is because of the fact that this pending order is with respect to the current market price. So two types of orders you can place above the current market price, and that is a sell limit and a buy stop. So in that case, you're telling the market, puts a sell order for me at a price that is above this current market price. So when you place this order, when that price gets there, it will trigger the sell and you'll be selling. Another pending order type that you can place above the current market price is a buy stop order. So in that case, you're telling the market that I want to buy this currency pair, but I don't want to buy at this current price because I feel that a certain resistance may not be easily broken. So I am waiting for that resistance to break, or I'm waiting for that price to break, maybe above this point. If the price breaks above this very resistance here, then take me in for a buy. So in that case, you want to buy at a higher price. When we come below the current market price, you can have either a buy limit, or when you tap on it, you can have a sell stop. Now there are other types like sell stop limits and buy stop limits. I don't usually use those anyway, but those ones are also there. So that is exactly how you go about it. Then another thing you can actually do to help you is, if you don't want to be moving these cursors, okay, come to this arrow button here, click on this arrow button. Okay, so in this case, you will have the option to just do it like you do normally in Metatrader 4, because in Metatrader 4 you don't have that marker to move around. So in that case, you just click on this type of order here. There you can select any type of order that you want. Okay, so apart from instant execution, you have all these other pending order types. If you want a sell limit, you click a sell limit. If you want a buy limit, you click a buy limit. If you want a sell stop, you click a sell stop. If you want a buy stop, you click a buy stop. So that is another way you can go about it. Okay, so let's say I want a sell limit. I click on sell limit, then I'll set my price, the price that I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell at 54,500. okay, so it's at 54,500. okay, if I want, I set my take profit and my stop loss, then I click on place. Okay, so it's quite simple. It's as simple as that. All right,